get to this one. What's wrong with my spruce? I get zillions of calls every day on that. And you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you my, here's what's wrong with your spruce handout I had to do for pipestone and pines and spruce. Problem I have with spruce is it's not well adapted here. It's a very popular tree. I'm not saying not to plant it, but blue spruce in particular really doesn't like our area. It does well for about 20 years and starts to decline. You know, today, my last stop down in Renner. Well, when'd you plant these? About 2000. Yep, that's about right. And they can begin declining. Doesn't mean they all do. I'll show you the beautiful ones that are 50 years old. White spruce, what we call black hill spruce, that's a better choice, generally speaking. But the problems we have with our spruce, we have 2 needle cast diseases. We didn't see much of that this year because it was too dry. We've got spruce bud scale, which sucks the sap out of it. We saw a lot of that this year. We get spruce needle miner that chews all the needles off. We've got spruce spider mite, which is going crazy this year because it's been hot and dry. And then we have cytospora cane. And I remember I had one tree that had all those problems on it. So, I mean, that's pretty much a gone.
Pretty sure that came out of Kingsbury.
And the other problem we're having with spruce, and it's in today's pest alert, I just got to make sure I post it now, is what I'm trying to remind people too is August and September are the 2 months you have to have water to your spruce trees to get them through the winter. When you see winter burn on them in March, that was because they weren't watered in August and September. And everybody thinks, well, water just before freezing. That does nothing for them. And you gotta water them in August and September so they have the energy to harden off for winter. So I'll just be reminding people, particularly small seedlings people have planted this year, that boy, make sure you get out and water them. It's so dry. And otherwise, what I'll get is next spring I'll be looking at dead seedlings and saplings, and they'll say, well, yeah, did you water them? Well, I watered them in October. Great. That's a little late. It's August and